Welcome to the Amadeus piano shop. Today we're going to be fixing the wobbly mechanism in an artist piano bench. The presswood base has become loose and weak, and the structure doesn't hold the screws very well anymore. So what we need to do is re-engineer the base to create a plate so nothing wobbles and moves anymore. Check out how it used to move. There's not supposed to be any of that side-to-side motion. The bench has been fixed before, and there's already been glue. Somebody glued them. Here's a picture of the base, new base made. Threading is machined into the plate, so those mounting screws are tight. Enjoy. Thank you.